harvest. Just got done watering this big area of the garden. I'm getting tired of these pill bugs, so I'm gonna try to get some of these potatoes out of here. Oh no, that's how they start. Apparently I shouldn't have picked that one. Oh well, I could probably replant it somewhere else. But as you see, they're trying to have a feast here, and we're not about to let that happen. So I think it might be harvest day right here. So let me get a box to dump this into. Okay, there she is. Now, I don't like touching bugs with my hands, but I know it's necessary. So we're just gonna pick them up and eat them so they won't be in the bottom of this dirt. So if I see them, I'm gonna grab them out of here. And yes, I'm gonna probably try to reroot some of these green plants. Okay, so there's like little baby potatoes. There is a potato that, I don't know what that means. So I'll get this little baby baker here. And we'll kind of give it a little harvesty harvest. I'm confused by this. Not really a good place to do this. So that is not gonna turn. Yes, I'm still in my work clothes. So this is how it dumped out. Not as many falling out as I wanted. And I think that some of these look pretty good. Here's our bountiful harvest after they were rinsed once. I am going to rinse them again, but I have accidentally dropped one about this size down the drain. So I probably don't need to rinse them until I get that out. Okay, they look way better after a second rinse. So, all right, I guess I got to figure out a plan for these now. I would like to just bake them in the oven, but it is 90 degrees out, as you can tell. So I think it's something. I really just want to do like boiled buttered potatoes because I feel like that would be really good. But also we love fried taters. I wish there was like a happy medium. Wait, parboiled smashed potatoes. I'm gonna do those. Welcome to the Great Potato Rescue of 2025. We're gonna try to do this before my husband gets home without him knowing because I don't want to stress him out. So first you need something to catch water in if you're gonna take off a drain. Lucky for me, we have a designated pot for that, but I think it's too big. Actually, it might be the right size. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. So I have a designated pot for that. I don't know where the tripod is. Sorry if it's loud. I'm wearing food prep gloves because that's all I could find. So I'll find somewhere to set y'all up. You're probably going to have to be against my bathroom wall. Dinner because I'm all sweaty. Okay, we got water. I'm gonna put a little salt. Turn it on to like medium-ish. And in whole. This one grew weird. My only guess is there was like a big root there. So it kind of looks like a narwhal or a happy manatee. Barbara Manatee. If you get that reference, we can be friends. Heck, I'm gonna just throw it in, it's fine. I'm just gonna kind of do this to kind of mix the salt because it's not hot yet. All right, as you see, the water's still clear, which means I rinsed them plenty, so they're good. Turn the heat up a little more. He's so sweet. Look at that sweet girl. A parchment lined baking sheet. Okay, I'm gonna let them cool off just a second before I smash. Okay, I seasoned it before I smashed it. Well, I mixed it all up with the oil, then smashed it. So, all right, it's ready to go in the oven. I've got some broccoli I'm trying to steam. It's a little freezer burnt, but it'll be fine. And then I'm cooking some ground turkey. And we're gonna make this a little tastier. I'm gonna get some beef grease and add it to this. Sorry, I should have called it tallow, whatever, I don't care. I've started saving it because apparently we're supposed to. Accidentally popped all of it out, so, oops. It's fine, at least this turkey will taste good now. Okay, could have cooked them longer, didn't want to because husband will be here soon, plus I need him to cool off for the kids. I also made taco meat. Husband's here, just heard the door close. Baby plates. Here you go. Here you go, baby.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. Do you like these smashed potatoes or not?
Let's get us a little tighter and see. A+.
Thank you.